Hello, today I'm going to go through the SOS feature on the LocateMotion app. The SOS feature allows the device wearer to send a direct call to 3 consecutive people in case of emergencies by clicking the red SOS button on the watch. To set up the 3 SOS numbers, click More from the home screen. Go on Device Settings and click SOS Number. You can add up to 3 SOS numbers and the watch will call all 3 of the SOS numbers one by one in case the prior one's dial does not pick up. The cycle will be repeated once more in case that none of the numbers pick up. Simultaneously, a notification will be sent to all 3 SOS numbers that the watch wearer needs help. Please note, the watch can only dial 3 consecutive SOS numbers if none of the numbers have voicemail services. Otherwise, the watch will dial only to the first SOS number. And that is the end of the tutorial. For further information, please go to www.locatemotion.com. Check out the FAQs as well as speak to one of our live agents available business days 9 to 6 p.m. Our socials are in the down bar below. Thank you for watching.